Welcome to the online tutorial session. Today we will discuss about the different other gates apart from the basic gate. So first gate is, you are able to see, that is the NAND gate. Okay, so NAND gate is actually the combination of AND gate plus NOT gate. It's a combination of the both gate. Okay, so first we have to do what? First we have to draw the truth table of AND gate, and then this output, if you pass through this NOT gate, then only we can get the NAND gate. Okay, this is actually the symbol of the NAND gate, but you can write in other ways also. Okay, if you are, the implementation is like that only. Okay, you can use this type of things also. Okay, A I am writing, and here is a B input. This is the symbol for what? AND gate, and then if you are passing it through this NOT gate, then we will get the NAND gate. Okay, so this expression we are getting A into B, and here I am getting A into B whole bar. So this is the expression for the NAND gate. Okay, truth table is just 0 into 0, it means 0, but bar we are getting as 1. So 0 into 1, 0, but bar getting 1. 1 into 0, 0, but bar getting 1. 1 into 1, 1, but bar getting 0. Okay, this is how we are getting our NAND gate. Now we will concentrate to this NOR gate. Okay, NOR gate is actually the combination of OR gate plus NOT gate. Okay, so this is actually the symbol of the NOR gate. But how we are getting this NOR gate? So first we have to design the truth table for the OR gate, and then we have to pass the truth table through the NOT gate. So then only we are getting the NOR gate. Okay, how to design this one? See, suppose this is A and this is the input B. So this is the symbol for the OR gate. Now this output, if you pass through this NOT gate, then only we are getting the NOR gate. That is, this one give you the A plus B value, and this one give you A plus B whole bar value. Okay, now come to the truth table. 0 plus 0 is what? 0, but complemented it will become 1. Okay, 0 plus 1, 1, but complemented it becomes 0. 1 plus 0, answer is 1, but complemented it will give 0. 1 plus 1, answer is what? 1, 0, but here complement this 1, and then we are getting the 0. Okay, this is how we can run. Now, the next gate is the XOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay, XOR gate is giving you something different. Something different means that here we are getting A XOR B value. A XOR B, it means that is the formulation is A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, XOR means A bar B plus A B bar. This is the expression for the XOR gate. Okay, so just remember that one trick over here when you actually draw the truth table, that whenever there is a odd number of 1, you are getting 1 as a output. See, whenever both the 0, it means here 0. Here 0 and 1, only single 1, it's odd number of 1, then you are getting 1. 1 0, single odd number 1 1, but here 1, both the cases 1 is there, then we are getting 0. Simply remember the trick when you design this table, that whenever there is an odd number of 1, you are getting 1 in the output. Next come to the XNOR gate. XNOR gate is the complement of the XOR gate. Whatever input we are getting, okay, from the XOR gate, if you are passing, see, this is the symbol of the XOR gate. If we pass it through it to the NOT gate, then we are getting the XNOR gate. Okay. So now moving to another topic, that is called universal gate. Okay, so two gates are called universal gate. One is the NAND gate, another is called a NOR gate. Today we will explain why NAND gate is called the universal gate. Because using NAND gate, we can simply implement all other basic gates or other gates. Okay, that's why it is called universal gate. Okay, this is actually the symbol. This is actually the symbol of the NAND gate. You know. Okay, now we will try to implement AND gate with this. Okay. Okay. See this one. This one is the AND gate representation. So first we have to do what? First I am taking one NAND gate, and then this output, whatever output I am getting in, this I am divided into two inputs, and again I am passing through the NAND gate. Okay. So then only we are getting this AND gate value. Okay. Now next is OR gate representation. What we are doing over here, in the A input, okay, I am dividing into two input. A single input I am dividing into two and then passing through a one NAND gate. And in case of B, I am doing the same. I am dividing the B input into two and passing it to the NAND gate. Because in the case of NAND gate, only two input NAND gate we are designed. So that's why we have. If you want to use an AND gate, we have to need two input. That's why B input or A input I am dividing into two. And now what result we are getting? A bar and B bar. This A bar and B bar, if you are passing through the NAND gate, then only we are getting the value as A plus B. Okay. Now moving forward. Okay. Now moving forward to the next thing, that is NOR gate. Okay. So NOR gate, what we are getting is A, like the same, I am getting for the first time A bar and B bar. Okay, so A bar and B bar value when I am getting, and when actually it is passed through this NAND gate, so what result it will give us? It will give us the value is A plus B. Okay, again if you are passing through this NAND gate, then it will give you the resultant of A plus B bar. That is actually the NOR gate expression. Okay. Now how to implement NOT gate. Okay, so A input, only single input, if you divide it into two and passing it through the NAND gate, simply we are getting the NOT gate representation. Okay, so exclusive OR also we can get. How can we can get the exclusive OR? Same thing, we are taking input A and B and getting the result. Okay, from A I am getting one value, from AB if you passing through the AND gate, that is we are getting what value? A bar, AB bar. Okay, I am passing AB bar value and A value over here, and here I am passing B value and AB bar value. Both the output of this gate, if you are passing through this AND gate, then only we are getting the exclusive OR. Okay, that is A bar B plus A B bar. Okay. Okay, exclusive NOR in the same way we can represent. So thank you student. I'm ending my lecture over here.